So there are typical course types. The core of university teaching are, of course, lectures. Professors talk about stuff. Typically, they provide some scripts or slides as well. But even a lecture with a few hundred students or many students in one lecture hall does not mean that you should sit back and sleep. Even that can be quite an interactive event, with the teacher asking questions, discussing with the students, jointly developing the material. Lectures are usually supported by homework assignments, which are also discussed in class, often not by a professor, but by a teaching assistant. Such assignments can be pen and paper exercises, lab experiments, implementation tasks. Lots of options are available here. At the end, such a lecture and homework combination ends in an exam. They can be written exams, like most of you will be used to. They can also be oral exams. You sit down, typically with a professor and a PhD student, and have a half-hour chat about the course. There are no strict rules here, but most professors will ask more wise-style questions rather than asking for something that you could simply have memorized. Then there are different types of classes. Seminars are one type. They focus on working with academic publications, finding papers, reading them, and analyzing them. Then you need to write a report and give a talk about such papers to the other participants. This trains technical writing skills and talking in front of an audience. Key skills for both academic and industrial careers. A second unique form of teaching at our university are project groups. They are group courses that last for an entire year. Each semester, a couple of research groups identify a topic from their ongoing research work. These topics are then offered to students who can register for them. In the end, there are typically 10 to 15 students working together with you on such a project for a year. This is very close to practical industry-style work. Many project groups are run, for example, using agile methods like Scrum. We found that these project groups are an excellent preparation for work in industry and business afterwards. And at last, of course, there is the master's thesis. Independent, self-responsible work on a challenging topic, of course with help from your thesis advisor. Very good thesis work often ends in a scientific publication.